TRF. Snatched up 2 CIA cases. Released.
Scheduled contact is ID'd and cleared.
Confirmation hostages are clear.
The Department of Justice has okayed it so long as the U.S. military watches.
Do I know you, human? I want my crew.
Give me names!
Mohawk.
Mohawk.
What up, fellas? Man, I wanna kill you right now. But I'ma kill you later. Definitely gonna kill you mofos later.
Dreadbot.
Dreadbot, in for bank robbery. Aggravated assault, murder, double murder, triple murder, 9 dead. Didn't even take the money. No.
What? Nitro Zeus.
Baby, free at last! Thank Megatron, I'm free at last! Thank you. On the mission, Tim. Thank you for your hospitality, Brad. I know where you live, Enrique. Say hello to your wife for me.
But the government requests that he does not leave the county. And we're serious about that.
Okay. Okay.
And last but not least, Berserker. I'll suck your brains.
Absolutely not.
Yeah, no. There are limits. Pick again.
Onslaught.
You need a bigger door.
Let me run that up the flagpole real quick. I just gotta call someone. Great, thank you. Yes.
What do you really want, Megatron?
What anyone wants, human. To go home.
Yeah, that'd be all right with me, too.
Megatron, he's after something Jaeger has.